Okay, so I've got the drive side stripped and the gearbox stripped, and there's been a few times when I've promised or threatened to make a video of using this little handheld soda blaster of mine. I've showed the end results a couple of times, but never actually in progress. So let's just see what we can do with an on-bike soda blast. So let's just turn it on, and here we go. This is the end result of the soda blasting with the little handheld thingamabob. I stopped yesterday because it throws quite a cloud of dust, and the camera was plugging up. But anyway, you can see that it does a pretty good job. And yeah, it clouds up and it throws a lot of dust around. I could probably make a little hood for it, but the beautiful thing is it's all baking soda. It's a natural product and it's good for the garden. So I just had to rinse it all off, and there it is, all done. Clean up the mess. So anyway, I eviscerated the gearbox, and I've got all the entrails in here. I'm gonna figure out how to put that back together today. Maybe what I'll do, I'm thinking, is I'll just kind of shove everything in there. I might have to use a funnel and a hammer, but if I just kind of stuff it all in there, perhaps and then I just put the cover on, perhaps the parts will all figure it out by themselves and I won't have to think so much. But anyway, I'll let you know how that works out. Okay, so the gearbox appears to have reassembled itself. I don't know. Maybe the fairies came when I wasn't looking. I've heard they tend to do that sometimes. Mostly with shoes, though, but I guess they do transmissions and gearboxes, too. But anyway, she's all back together, except for the outer shifting side of it. But the little buggers, they must have forgotten to bring a gasket for the joint between the outer and inner gearbox case. So we're at a standstill right now. I've just put the cover on to keep the dust and dirt out. I'm just waiting for parts, my life story. So, well, maybe while I'm waiting, I'll give it another hand polish and buff. Those rims are starting to look a little dirty. But, yeah, it usually takes 2 days for parts to arrive. So we'll button her up when they come.